Accelerite ShareInsights is an end-to-end self-service analytics tool built for data analysts that helps simplify complex big data analysis. Using ShareInsights, data analysts can gain valuable insights by ingesting, preparing, analyzing, and visualizing data through a simple drag-and-drop interface. Let us take an example to explore the power and ease of use that ShareInsights brings. Simply log in to ShareInsights and select Create Dashboard to start a new analysis. Here, we will use a raw dataset called brand-based data that provides performance data of top global brands over several years. Let's use this data to understand the performance of individual brands, their industry sectors, and their relative ranking, and visualize this information in graphical formats. To do this, start by adding a flow to the dashboard. A flow encapsulates a series of steps for your analysis. The ShareInsights editor screen allows you to add a new dataset or use one from the list of already published datasets. Select Brand-Based Data under Published Dataset. Now you can start applying tasks to this dataset. A task performs an operation on the dataset such as aggregate, filter by, order by, group by, and more. Let's use Filter By task and select the column year from the dataset and set it to 2015. This will filter the dataset with data for year 2015. You can give a relevant name to this intermediate dataset. Let us add another task, Group By, to organize the dataset by industry sector, and let's also aggregate them as a sum of their current brand value. Again, you can name this dataset as Sector List. Once you have built the flow and prepared your datasets, you can apply visualizations by selecting the right widgets from the available list of widgets such as a line graph, pie chart, heat map, bubble chart, and so on. Let's select the List widget to simply list down the sectors. Similarly, you can create more flows and assign different visualizations to each one of them. Let us create a flow here that creates a heat map of each brand's relative ranking by year. You can also preview the data from your data source under Data Preview and a selected widget under Widget Preview section in the dashboard. Once the flows are created, you can click on Publish Dashboard to publish the data and visualizations. You can click on View Dashboard to view the result. Let us select each sector to view the sector-wise brand count in the list. Understandably, financial services saw a dip in the number of brands in 2009. You will notice that the number of automotive brands in the list has almost doubled between 2001 and 2015. You can also see a heat map of each brand's appearance and ranking by brand value. These are just some of the many visualizations available with ShareInsights. What's more, the ShareInsights Layout Editor allows you to rearrange your widgets for best viewing. ShareInsights can pull together data from various sources, including databases, Excel spreadsheets, RSS feeds, API data, social media feeds, data that already resides in Hadoop, as well as streaming data coming over Kafka Streams. Preparing and analyzing complex data is that simple with ShareInsights.